If I told you, at the very center of our galaxy hides a monster that devours light, yet around it burns the brightest region in the entire Milky Way, would you believe me? That place is called Sagittarius, a star, about 26,000 light-years from Earth. No stars can survive there, no planets can approach, and yet it glows like a beacon, shining in the darkness of the universe. Scientists once thought that light came from stars, but when the Hubble Space Telescope first pierced through the clouds of dust, they realized the light wasn't from creation, it was from destruction. Sounds like a paradox, doesn't it? If a black hole swallows light, how can it possibly shine? The truth is, it doesn't shine by itself. It glows through annihilation. Under its immense gravity, anything that drifts too close is stretched and twisted into a blazing accretion disk. Gas and dust swirl at near light speed, compressed and heated to hundreds of millions of degrees. At that moment, energy erupts in X-rays and gamma rays, outshining the sun by trillions of times. The light you see isn't the birth of something new. It's the last scream of matter being torn apart. Even more astonishing, the black hole at our galaxy's core isn't always so quiet. Astronomers have found evidence that Sagittarius A star once went berserk. Millions of years ago, it unleashed twin jets of high-energy particles stretching tens of thousands of light-years through the galaxy. NASA called it the heartbeat of the Milky Way. For a time, the very heart of our galaxy burned so bright it seemed unreal. Those particles are still moving through space today, forming what astronomers call the Fermi bubbles. Two massive lobes of energy, like the Milky Way's lungs, still breathing light and radiation into the void. And here's the chilling part. This cosmic breathing could happen again. Using the Chandra X-ray Observatory, scientists detected bursts from Sagittarius A star that flared up to 75 times brighter than usual in just a few years. In other words, it might be waking up. If this supermassive black hole becomes active again, the center of the Milky Way would ignite once more. And when that happens, from Earth's night sky, we might actually see the galactic core blazing like a burning heart suspended in the heavens. Here's the terrifying truth. This black hole has a mass 4 million times greater than the Sun. Its gravity can easily swallow an entire star, and we live deep inside its gravitational embrace. The Sun itself takes 230 million years to complete a single orbit around it. So the next time you gaze up at that silvery band of the Milky Way stretched across the night, remember, that dazzling beauty isn't romance. It's the unhealed wound of the universe, still glowing in the dark.